Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to post Reels on Instagram step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a video ready to share. It can be any video from your camera roll, or you can record one directly in the Instagram app. Open the Instagram application on your phone. At the top left corner of the screen, tap the plus button to create new content. By default, Instagram may show the regular post option. To change this to an Instagram Reel, look at the bottom menu and select Reel. Now choose your video. You can either select the video from your camera roll or tap the record button to create a new reel directly in the app. Once you've selected your video, tap Next. Here's where you can edit your reel. You can trim the video length, add music from Instagram's music library, insert text overlays, stickers, or apply filters and effects to make your reel more engaging. When you're satisfied with your edits, tap Next again. Now you can add a caption, tag people, and choose where to share your reel, your feed, your story, or just the Reels tab. You can also customize the cover image by selecting a frame from the video or uploading a custom thumbnail. Once everything looks good, tap Share. At the bottom, your Instagram Reel is now live. You and your followers can view it on your profile under the Reels tab. And that's how you post Reels on Instagram. If this helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Instagram tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching.